In How to Make Money as a Kid, Robert Kiyosaki teaches kids and teens the cash flow basics as well as how to start their own small business. Most parents are tired of their kids asking for money. Guess what? Your kids are tired of asking too. Kids only ask for money because they don't know how to make their own. Understanding how money works at an early age not only empowers your kids to generate their own income, but will give them a competitive advantage as they grow into adults. At the age of 9, Robert Kiyosaki learned the lessons of generating cash flow. Not as a college student, not as an adult in the workforce, as a 9-year-old boy. These lessons gave him the foundation to become a best-selling author, real estate mogul, and personal finance expert. Imagine what your children could do with this kind of head start. Get your copy of Robert Kiyosaki's How to Make Money as a Kid today.